Hey guys, my name is Alvito Torres and today I would try to show you how to repair this AC grill. Now this AC grill has been broken because it doesn't move the same way and it doesn't stay together when I sweep like this. I took it from here from my Kijang LGX. Now the reason why it's broken is there's a bracket that holds this one and this. It snaps. Mine were crumbled like this, so now I'm going to repair it with the more practical way, which is and the first thing that we want to do is we cut the straw as almost the same length as the AC grill. Now we don't want to cut really the same way as the AC grill length because the straw won't be moving because it's really narrow inside the AC evaporator. So yeah, we won't do that. Now the second thing that we want to do is realign the grill stripes, and there's a circle thing on that grill, so we want to measure how much distance we need to get because it really needs to do in the same distance. Also, after you measure out, you can mark the place where you want to poke them holes with the cutter on the straw, so the circle thing will get inside the straw and the straw will act as a bracket for the grill stripes. Now it's time to poke some holes on the straw, so the straw will hold the grill stripes together and it will be moving the same way, just like what the bracket did. After you made some holes to get that act as a bracket, now it's time to put the straw on the grill stripe circular thing, so it'll be staying together. It is now prepared. It's now repaired, sorry. Now another problem that we need to resolve is there's a gap in the evaporator. Not like this one. If you look closely, there's some sort of silicone that holds it in place. Now it moves really tight, not like this one. It moves freely. So we'll add a silicone later on that thing. It's just not right now. I'm really lazy because it's too hot right now. Look at that. I think that's it for today. I hope this problem can be resolved 100% and gets the job done. So yeah, thank you.